Picture yourself in the 2023 Nissan Altima. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, heated mirrors, backup camera, premium sound system, power passenger seat. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.